How to sign up for an event on Zwift, including races. There are 3 ways that you can sign up for an event on Zwift. On the Zwift companion app, on the Zwift website, and within the Zwift game. I'm going to show you how to do all 3 in this video, so let's start with the companion app. Simply load the app up, and then what you want to do is come to events from the main navigation in the top left. So click on events, and then from here what we can do is look through the events that we have upcoming. But first I would go up to filters in the top right, and there we can see different filters we can add. So if you know your category, you can add that in there or remove categories. You've got group ride, group workout, etc. So I'm just going to leave that as it is, and I'll just select races. So let's go back, and we can see all the races now in time order, recent coming up first. So let's click on this one at 11:30 a.m. Now as we scroll down, we can see different categories A, B, C, D. So for example, if you know your category B, which you work out by doing an FTP test and working out your watts per kilo. So in this case, B is 3.2 to 4 watts per kilo. Then what you have is the event for the category Bs. Now we can see there are 7 people, it's happening at 11:30, there are 8 laps, and this is the circuit, volcano circuit. If we tap on the map, we can change some info. You can also click through and see those people who are racing. In the top right, this is how you enter this plus button. So I'm going to go ahead and click the plus button, and then you'll get this reminder screen come up. If you want to set a reminder, you can. So go ahead, click save. So there we go, you are now entered into the event. If you want to remove yourself from the event, just simply untick. Now on the PC, it's very similar to the companion app. So I'm on the website, the Zwift website, and I've logged into my account. Now I'll see my activity feed by default, but up in the menu, we've got this event. So I'm going to go ahead and click on events. That will show me all the events, and it will have the one that's happening soonest at the top, and we can see them all down here. But what I want to do is come to filters first. Now we can filter again as we could filter on the companion app. So I'm going to go ahead and apply those, which is basically leaving them the same. I'm going to scroll down to some time later in the day, and let's go for 3R racing. Now this time we can see all the event spiel, all the info, and we've got our categories over here. We can't click through though and see who's riding in each category, unfortunately. But if I want to enter category B, let's click there on the plus sign, and we've got a little tick, and we can also add to calendar as well, which is going to download a little calendar file which we can add. So that is how you enter an event on the Zwift website. Lastly, let's have a look how you enter a Zwift event within the Zwift game. So I've just loaded Zwift up, and I can see up here in the top right, I have upcoming events. Now I can scroll through and see the events that are coming up. I can't click on them. I can't see much info. All I can do is simply enter. That is it. So there's not as much info as a companion app and not as much info as the website, but you can enter them nonetheless. You can also leave just by clicking leave. If you found this how-to helpful, give it a thumbs up, help me in the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.